Hello and welcome back to my channel. Here's a video that you guys have been waiting for. Let's get started. Alright, almost everything has been masked. It's already extremely late. It's about 2 in the morning. I'm just gonna finish it up, start painting tomorrow. But you won't have to wait. Let me just show you real quick. Everything was covered from the inside with some plastic. Everything was covered. I don't want to risk it getting oversprayed in the newly painted areas. So I just taped it all up. It's a little bit more time consuming, but it'll give you a better finish. And that's it. Let's just get started and start painting it. There it is. We're good to go. Let me just fast forward till tomorrow. Let's start spraying. Alright, it's the following day. We're ready to go. Everything has been covered. Everything is ready. Let's just get started. Let me show you something real quick. Here it is, guys. I did get the Blue Moon. This is what the gun is called. It's a ATOM X88. It's a really nice gun. Let's see the performance. It did come with an extra tip. It has a 1.3 on it, and it did come with a 1.4 right there. It did come with a cup and your tools to disassemble and clean the gun. Here's your manual, and it did come with a gun butt. The gun butt is a light attachment that you attach to the cup so that you can see what you're spraying. It's a real nice addition to this to the gun. Let me give you some video up close of the gun. Alright guys, this is a cup. The only thing I noticed about the cup is that the lid is a little loose. I am not going to use a cup because I'm going to be using some the PPS cups, but it is a little loose. I'm not too sure if that's the design that it has, but they could have made it a little bit more tighter. But it's a real nice cup. Like I mentioned, I'm not going to use that right now. I'm going to use the PPS cups. But I'll be using that in the future so you can see, so that I can see if the lid's not going to come off. Alright, this is the system I'm going to be using. You can get all these cups in Limeline. I'm going to leave the information, also the adapters. You can get them at Limeline. I'm going to leave all the information of the website so that you can go ahead and get you some. These are very good cups. So that's what I'm going to be using. This gives you the opportunity to spray upside down, which I'm going to need for this car. Alright. Alright guys, another thing is that filter. The filter that from Steel Camo. It's time to change it. This is the one I had. Alright, it's been there for about 4 to 6 months, give or take. This is their new style. It's exactly the same filter. I'm going to show you how to change it and have it ready. I'm also going to leave all the information in the description below as to where you can get these filters. Very, very good filters. If you don't have any of this over here on top like I do, just get yourself some filters like that and you'll be good. It eliminates all the water, oil, everything, all the contaminants that are going to be coming into your air hose, it's going to eliminate it. All right, let me change it up and get started. There it is, brand new filter. We're good to go, and let's start spraying. All right, there's the first coat. My initial thoughts on the gun, it's that it sprays good. The candy, you know, it's real hard to apply, and the gun did an excellent job. So it's a really good gun for the price. Real good. I'm gonna continue spraying the rest of the coats, which are gonna be 5 coats. This is the first one. I don't want to show you every single coat because it's just repetition of the same thing. But let me just finish spraying the 5 coats so that I can show you the car once it's been sprayed. There it is, 5 coats of candy. This gun performed excellent. Excellent. Right there, you can see that it did a really good job. I'm amazed. Wow. I did have to turn it down from wide open. I turned it down a turn and a half. I turned it back down a turn and a half. That seemed to be the perfect spot for the spray pattern. I did have it at 28 psi, and it looks good. Looks really good. I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and start applying the clear. And before you start saying, where are the graphics? They're coming. The graphics are gonna be done after the fact. I'm gonna clear coat everything, then I'm gonna have to come back, resand everything, and do the graphics on the side. I think it's gonna be just on the side. I'm not too sure about the trunk and hood, but I do know that it's gonna have some graphics all the way on the side, and I want to do that when I resand the clear. That's when it's gonna come out real nice. There it is, 4 coats of clear. The gun performed really well. Right there, you can see. Performed real nice. Laid it down flat. Really good. It was a really good gun. The only thing I did, like I mentioned, I did have to turn it down a turn and a half in order for the pattern to be perfect. but gave me a really nice finish. Really nice finish. All the information of this gun is going to be in the description below. If you guys are interested in obtaining one of these ATOM X88, you're going to love them. You're going to love them. Real nice. Yeah, the car does have a little dirt nibs here and there, but I'm going to have to resand the whole car so that the patterns can be applied. And then I'll just flow coat it. But it came out real nice. Let me turn off the lights and show it to you with the spotlight. Hope the camera's capturing the metal flake and everything. Hope the light doesn't turn off. But there it is. Really nice. Now all I gotta do is let it dry for about a week more or less, so that I can resand the whole car and do the graphics. But there it is. Alright, and this is going to be it for this video. I hope you liked it. All the materials that I use are going to be in the description below. So if you want to check them out, go ahead and check them out and get you some. Alright, thank you. Next, it's going to be, I'm going to have to resand the whole thing so that the graphic can start being applied. Alright, well, thank you. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. Like always, God bless.